Hi guys, how do you solve for x? We have 54 to the power 72x equals 1024 to the power 72x. This seems to be complicated, but guys, it is very easy to solve. Now, the exponents are the same. We have the power 72x, but the bases are not the same. Looking at this, the only way 54 to the power 72x is going to be equal to 1024 to the power 72x is when it is having a power of 0. That is 54 to the power 0 equals 1024 to the power 0, which equals 1. And so we are going to equate the exponent to 0. And so to solve for this, we are going to say 72x equals 0, such that s is going to be 0 over 72, and this equals 0. And guys, guess it, we are done solving for x. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for more. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.